After about 1 hour of sleep in Vegas, I hopped on a plane to LAX, then to Tokyo, landed in Narita, didn't start filming because I've been super tired. But right here is what we're gonna be driving for the next 2 weeks. So this R33 GTR, obviously not a drift car. We're not gonna be like drifting or anything at Ibisu, but I thought since it was only up by like an extra $100 a day to rent this instead of like a dumb little K car, it'd be cool to be able to just rip around in this. And we just got to this little parking garage place for this mall that we're going to. We'll talk a little bit more about the R33 later, but all right, this is who we got with us. Mesker.
Woo! Hey guys.
Brett. Claim to fame, Brett had a sick car and he sold it. Mesker is my 3.4 JZ idol.
I had a S13 LS swapped S13 and I built a 335i caged Y-Step and it was terrible, so I sold it.
that doesn't matter because we all have JZX 100s and we're all gonna go drive JZX 100s, but first we're gonna go get some ramen. Welcome to Japan. It's the craziest thing coming here because you instantly feel immersed in the culture, especially this mall. Like, Europe isn't that crazy of a culture shock. We're just walking here, like everyone looks different. All the signs are different. It's very cool.
Tell them that the escalator's right-hand drive.
I didn't even realize that.
Going down the other way.
Technically it's left-hand drive, but yeah, Japan's thick. Gonna go get some ramen. We couldn't find it, but using context clues, I looked up some photos online and I saw that very in the distance you see 6F, so we figured I was actually on the 5th floor. Look at that. This place is actually pretty cool because it's one of those things where like you order the ramen on the little machine. There's like 5 different types of them all in one place. Put your money in and I'll tell you how much money you got here. Ooh, flexing on them with a $980. Oh, you getting 2?
Rice, bro.
Oh, that sounds good. And then it prints you a little ticket. And you just take this little ticket and it comes bringing your food.
Click on this black thing.
I wish I had this YouTube instructional. Brett did do a very good job because there's no foreigners here, so it must be pretty good. Okay, when I ordered the most expensive thing on the menu, I was trying to flex on these guys, but I didn't realize that there would be legitimate gold on my food. That is ramen with gold on it. Aaron, Lucy, and them are like eating at the airport right now. We are literally eating gold.
They're eating like kings.
I need to send that to the group chat. I'm gonna go ahead and link this place in case you guys ever want to come here. It's like meat falls apart in your mouth. It was good. It's got great characteristics of a great ramen place. All right, so this is the place. It was this one. When you walk in, it's the one on the right. Not that one, but that one. Unlike most of our malls back home, they're like very big and spread out and like maybe 1 or 2 stories. Here, it's like usually built up and kind of narrow. So there's like lots of floors and each floor has like maybe 5 or 6 stores. I've been to a couple malls and they're all like this. I'm just assuming that all of them are like this, but I could be wrong. I think it's time to keep her clean. The barbershop made her look nice, but I think it's time to take matters into my own hands. What better place than to get one of these in Japan, right? Everything's so busy. There's so many products so close together. I get lost in the sauce. Apparently this turned into the JDM makeover trip. I'm trying to look like the you know, the next DK since I got a black Z and everything. And I gotta find myself a nice little JDM girl. Not a JDM pregnancy test, Brett. One of these. I think this is for eyelashes. It's just with goals. No idea what this little duck is, but it must be pretty special because there's an entire store dedicated to it. Also, my ignorant self saying that this mall was small. This mall is actually huge. We just were only, wow, I'm terrible at filming today. Yeah, it's actually way bigger than we thought. There's like all these random legs.
This side of the mall is only the movie theater.
Oh.
Except for the stores.
We need to see a movie there. 4DX. Not 3D.
The mall.
Oh no, that's the one with like the seats tickle you and stuff. Look, it shows you all the things that it does underneath. Wind, flower, music, tornado, rain, snow, heat.
Snow.
The American Food Series. This is what they think of us. Alright, this Odaiba Mall is officially my favorite place ever. I'm honestly gonna stay here instead of Ibisu because it's tight. You like crane games? Cool. We got you a crane game for your crane game. It's hot because everybody's breaking sweat on this crane games. Japan is so cool. Brett's already on here shredding. You guys know what's up. Look at that. White Evo 5. We are out here. I am so hyped right now. Look at how cool that is! Woo! I don't know whether getting to drive my Evo 5 in an initial D video game or getting actual gold in my ramen has made my day better. It's a great day. A store dedicated to capsule toys. You guys haven't seen the other side of the puzzle, but there's more. There's more. They helped me pick up my hat.
It's a nice hat.
If you guys like the hat, shout out to them. Just saying. So we've established that this hotel is absolutely amazing, and it wouldn't work in the US. What?
That hotel is amazing.
Oh yeah, our hotel is too. This wouldn't work in the US because it's too confusing. I've gotten lost literally 4 times and just had an argument with Mesker over whether we went in this Adidas store or not. So, hi. Interesting fact, the place that I rent this car from rents a lot of like R33s, R34s and stuff. Pretty much all the cars are super clapped out, have been crashed a million times. That's why they work great as rentals, because they can rent them cheap. Just a lot of stupid foreigners drive these cars and then crash them. Hopefully we won't be one of them. But this car's actually pretty clean. Stop laughing at me. It only has like 48,000 kilometers on it, so it's kind of a baby. But I'm gonna show you guys something that's gonna make quite a few of you cringe. This car is the swirliest car. There's so many swirls that it's legit hazy.
You gotta listen to the paint. It sounds like straight sandpaper.
Oh my god. But this car is not in the worst shape. So it's pretty tight. It's very, very, very slow. GTRs, R34s, R32s, R33s are incredibly boring in stock form. What would you say? Like how exciting was this car as a passenger?
It was really slow. It was unexciting. JZX100.
It does sound cool. We'll film some clips where our hotel's like 5 minutes down the road. So anyway, here's our R33 GTR for the week. If you're curious, I want to say it costs like maybe around like 180 to rent a day, which is cool. I just thought it'd be cool for the videos and stuff. I don't know. Did you say pop the hood? Yeah, I kind of do want to see what it looks like under there, huh? Did you say watch it be an RB25? I mean, it's decently clean under there. I said that it had an intake.
Zip tie holding the intakes together.
I knew that it had some intakes on it. I could hear them.
It's a hell of a mouth.
It does have an exhaust, but it's really quiet. That's a pretty cool flex right there. Yeah, I got this on mine right back home. Wait, that's not an aftermarket intake manifold, is it?
Yeah. Oh, you should see what exhaust.
I don't know much about RB26s, but see what exhaust is on it. It's got a little logo on the. So where are we gonna plug our boost controller into? We didn't do that. Don't sue us. Wait, let's see how many times this thing's been crashed.
It's got the seam sealer on the strap.
That's a good point. The core support looks awfully nice, and then other parts look black or not so nice. So, well, it's got a aftermarket intercooler, not too bad. Not as crashed up as I thought it'd be.
Got a bunch of seam sealer.
He's stunting on us. Trying to race, brother? I'll take you down. All right, let's hear it. Weak. Yeah, it's slow. So I don't know if we can make left turns on red here. I haven't established that. I will say right turns are kind of scary because they're like making a left turn, so you got to remember to go to the left side of the road and not hit the children. Run safe, friends. Still dying. All right, don't hit the children. Don't hit the children. This isn't Tokyo Drift. They won't all just magically move.
Lay on it.
What? Did you should lay on it? Yeah. Like rev at them? Yeah. They won't even be able to hear it. It's so quiet. Come on, children.
In half a mile, take a slight left turn onto 482.
Oh, I can understand that. All right, buddy. Ooh. Okay. I think we accidentally got one of the nicest hotels in Tokyo. Yeah. So do we valet? I guess we'll go park it first. I just revved at that guy. Stupid gaijin. This is a nice hotel. I meant to A, show you guys the steering wheel because it's kind of funny, and B, show you guys how all this luggage
Fit in the car.
He finished my sentence for me. This guy. Kind of mad about that. Whoa, look at that spot in the hood. You guys see that? That's crazy. We might have accidentally got the nicest hotel we possibly could. Had to follow up the Gold Flakes ramen. For a hotel in Tokyo, this place is giant. And it's 9:41 and we're trying to get to the hot tub that closes in 18 minutes. Definitely not it. There were literally like children in there watching a show, so it's definitely not our room. Come on, dude, we're gonna miss the hot tub. The dude gave us the wrong keys. We're trying to. Alright, we gotta go back. Check out these sweet flops. Extra small. We got 7 minutes before the hot tub closes.
7 minutes early.
Yeah, it closes at 10. That's already 9:53. I've never signed a waiver for a hot tub before.
Oh, locker.
Oh, we get a locker for the hot tub?
We don't need a locker.
Please return this tag on the cards before you leave.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is actually pretty tight. Yes, there's no naked Japanese people in the hot tub. Just what I wanted. All right, so we literally are in a hot tub that overlooks Tokyo. That's so rad. It's so cool. So worth it. Oh, this is a great day. All right, so what's so crazy about this is that none of this was planned. This was kind of a spur of the moment thing. I got to drive an Evo 5. I got real gold in my ramen. And now we're on a rooftop hot tub. Rooftop hot tub. This is the mall that we were just at. It's called Aqua City Odaiba. It's right over there. This is really sick. This is special. I think I'm just gonna close the video out here. I can't really think of a better way or place to end it. Just to get in my clip. We got a lot of fun stuff happening in Japan. Tomorrow we're actually going to D1GP to go check out some drifting here. It'll be kind of cool to see what their competitive side of drifting is in person, as opposed to like Formula Drift at home and stuff. And then we head over to Ebisu to go drive our JZX100s. I actually forgot, Brett has an R33 at Ebisu that he'll be drifting. But anyway, if you guys are stoked, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Got a lot of cool content, and I'm super excited to be here. Later.